Welcome to the Lifeline HMS tutorial for the Pharmacy Module. This guide will assist you in navigating the Pharmacy Module and its various features. Let's begin. First, navigate to the Pharmacy section from the main dashboard. When you open the Pharmacy section, the first tab is Products. Here, you can view all medicines along with important details like identifier, category, dosage strength, and available stock. To add a new medicine, click on Add Product. Start by filling in the general details such as category, name, manufacturer, dosage, and description. Next, select the relevant options, like whether the product requires refrigeration, is a high-risk item, or falls under narcotics. After that, move to the Inventory and Pricing section. Once done, click Submit, and the product will be added to your system. You can also click on any existing product to view or edit its details, including batch and expiration information. Here, you can access and modify all product information, as well as add new stock to the inventory. Batches indicate the current quantity of each product in stock. To add stock for a product, click on Add Stock. Fill in supplier details, location information for multi-site inventory management, and other relevant fields. Click Submit, and the inventory will be updated instantly. There is also an Import Products option. This allows you to upload a file and onboard hundreds of products at once, especially useful if you're switching from another system or using a supplier-provided inventory sheet. Simply upload the file and your inventory will be added automatically. Next is the Point of Sale section. Here you can quickly create sales by selecting medicines, adding quantities, and generating invoices in just a few clicks. You can either create a new customer or select from existing customers. For a new customer, simply enter the required details. Otherwise, choose from the saved list. Next, start adding the required medicines by using the search bar. The search results will display available stock along with the quantity in units, helping the pharmacist stay updated on inventory in real time. If a specific medicine is not available at your location, you can also check availability in other branches. This makes it easier to guide the customer by showing exactly where the medicine is in stock. Once the products are added, enter the quantity, apply any discounts if needed, and select the payment method. A receipt will be generated instantly, which can be printed, and the inventory will be updated automatically. Next is the Order History section. Here, you can view all previous transactions, track sales, and access past records whenever needed. To process a return, simply click on any previous order or customer in the Order History section. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Return button. Click on it and fill in the return form with the required order details. Once completed, click Update. The refund will be processed, and the inventory will be adjusted automatically. To make things even easier, you can update your payment method directly from our Payment Gateway feature. The status of your order will also be updated along with the corresponding details. And that is the basic of Pharmacy Module in Lifeline HMS. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore our other tutorials for a complete walkthrough of the platform. For any further questions, please contact us at info@lifelinehms.com. Thank you for watching.